This is my computer. And I'm going to show you how to build it. Instructions.
Instructions?
Wow, the keyboard. This is HD. This is the memory go. This is battery. These are the parts here. And
Then you have to add lights.
where? And yeah. Put it backwards with these stuff. Can you help? Then you have to put this hard. Actually, Daddy, can you help me put this? Then we're going to plug on then plug on HDMI. And we're going to plug this. Next, we're going to plug on the. What's the other cable? Needs to be here somewhere. Plug on the power. Next, we're going to plug on the connector for this. The port. We're going to plug it on the port. There's no one. I'm going to press enter actually. Then say hello. No. Oh, Kyle. What is your name? Then Kagan.
Oh, my favorite color.
People like Dad.
No, what is this?
This is your Gmail.